In this video, I'll show you how to create a brand new Apple account, also known as Apple ID, directly from your iPhone settings. Don't worry, you don't need a computer and the whole process takes just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on the settings app. At the very top of the settings page, tap the Apple account banner. Remember, Apple is currently rebranding Apple ID as Apple account. If you see either name, don't worry, they mean the same thing. Now tap I don't have an Apple account to start create a new one. After that, select your correct age range. This is very important because some Apple features depend on age. Then enter your first name, last name and date of birth, and make sure your date of birth is accurate. It's difficult to change later and this is used for account recovery. Once done, tap continue. Then you will now see a screen asking for an email address, but ignore that text field. Instead, tap the blue link that says don't have an Apple address. From the pop-up menu, select get an iCloud email address. Now choose your new iCloud email address. This will end with @icloud.com. This will become your official Apple account email. So choose a professional and easy to remember name. This email will be used for App Store, iCloud and Apple services. Next, create a password for your account and enter it twice to confirm. Remember, your password must be at least 8 characters long and must be include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter and one number. Now you have to verify your phone number. Select your country code, enter your mobile number and tap continue. You will receive a 6-digit verification code through SMS. So enter the code to verify. And after that, this will automatically turn on two-factor authentication, which keeps your account secure from unauthorized access. Now read the Apple terms and conditions, then tap agree to continue. And finally, enter your iPhone's lock screen passcode to confirm it's really you. And that's it. Your Apple account is now successfully created and signed in on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.